everyone, welcome to Mana Trends. Are you ready to transform your balcony into a relaxing green space? In this video, we are sharing simple balcony gardening ideas to help you create a cozy and fresh outdoor area. Whether you have a small or large balcony, these tips will make it look beautiful and inviting. From picking the right plants to adding decorative touches, we have got you covered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mana Trends for more simple and creative ideas. Let's begin and turn your balcony into your favorite spot at home. Start by choosing the right plants for your balcony. If you are new to gardening, go for easy to grow options like money plants, aloe vera, or peace lilies. These plants are low maintenance and stay green throughout the year. For a splash of color, add flowers like roses, hibiscus, or jasmine. Want to grow something useful? Plant herbs like tulsi, mint, or coriander in small pots. These simple plants are perfect for balconies and will make your space fresh and cheerful. Use vertical gardening to save space and add beauty. Hang planters on the walls, use railing pots, or set up a vertical plant stand. This creates more room and gives your balcony a lush green look. You can even combine greenery with fairy lights or colorful pots to make the space more cheerful. Vertical gardening is a great way to make a small balcony feel larger and more vibrant. It's simple, stylish, and perfect for balconies of any size. Add furniture to make your balcony cozy and functional. A small table with foldable chairs is ideal for enjoying your morning coffee or reading a book. For a relaxed vibe, try using floor cushions or a wooden bench with storage underneath. To make it even better, add an outdoor rug to define the space and make it feel warm and inviting. Choose lightweight and weather-friendly furniture that is easy to move and clean, so your balcony stays neat and comfortable. Enjoy soothing music in the background as you work on designing your balcony garden. The calming music will make the process relaxing and inspire you to create a space that feels peaceful and welcoming. Take your time, enjoy the experience, and imagine how amazing it will feel to spend your time in your own little green corner. Thank you for watching. We hope these balcony gardening ideas inspire you to create a beautiful and relaxing space at home. A green balcony is not just about plants. It's about creating a corner where you can unwind, relax, and connect with nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mana Trends for more simple and creative ideas. Let us know in the comments which tip you like the best and what you would love to see next.